Corruption's enough. We need to act. People are drowning in the flood. You buy that tax, you buy that bag, you buy all that luxury cars. Say we were drowning. Say we were drowning. Corruption is enough, we need to act. People are drowning in the flood. You buy that tax, you buy that bag, you buy all that luxury cars.
Ang pamuno ng mismo ang nainis
sa mga nakikipagsabwatan upang kunin ang pondo ng bayan. Iyan naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Kailangan maging nakakadiri yung korupsyon. Kailangan hindi siya maging katanggap-tanggap.
You get that tax, you buy that car, you buy all that luxury cars. All of the money of some bayonet is in your hand, that's why it's a threat. Wouldn't you give it back and plan a nice life of some bayonet? That's why Philippines slower run, because they never did it right. You know, youth is right. To fear the hope in this life.
baha ang pagpapalubog sa ating bayan, kundi kasakiman.
Walang po ang bulag sa gabinete na ito! Naglalaroan lang nila tayo. Paano ko ating mga negosyo? Negosyo! Bayan o sariling pumili ka! Paano ninyo nasisikmurang pag-usapan ng negosyo kung mangalipin tayo sa sarili nating bayan? Hindi, hadas! Nasisikmura ba ng gabinete ang ganitong kataksilan? Bulag! Mga kapatid, mayroon tayong mas malaking kaway ang ating sarili. Kailangan natin ng isang radikal na pagbabago.
Tama, General Luna. Kailangan na tayong kumilos!
Kaya na ba ng Pilipino na marinig ang katotohanan?
Into projects that hindi naman po nagagawa. So, kailangan po dapat managot ang dapat managot.
Hanggat may corruption sa isang bansa, magiging hadlang to sa pag-unlad.
Not let money blind us in voting, and yeah, that's all.
For me, corruption is bad because a lot of people in the Philippines is suffering.
The video repeatedly showed the word corruption is enough. By repeating its praises, the campaign makes sure that viewers remember the main message. The repetition also creates a sense of urgency, reminding people that corruption is not a one-time problem, but a continuous issue that must be addressed. Association. The video associates corruption with negative effects such as poverty, lack of education, poor healthcare, and injustice.
Join in our campaign video!